Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Sling TV on your Amazon Firestick device, follow these step-by-step instructions to log in and start streaming your favorite channels. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and navigate to the Amazon App Store from the home screen. Step 2. Search for Sling TV using the search function and select the official Sling TV app from the results. Step 3. Download and install the Sling TV app on your Firestick. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Open the Sling TV app from your Firestick home screen or Apps section. Step 5. Select Sign In on the welcome screen. You'll see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Step 6. On your computer or mobile device, visit sling.com/activate and log in with your Sling TV account credentials. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the activation page on your web browser. Step 8. Click Submit or Activate and wait a few seconds. Your Firestick will automatically refresh and you'll be logged into Sling TV ready to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.